Shout out to our sponsor Hang Time, which is an app where you can go on and compete against your friends to win cash prizes. They have trivia shows and various games on there, and check out the 5 trivia shows which we will be doing about skateboarding starting in May. The app is available on the Apple Store or Google Play. The link is also right down there, so go ahead and check it out. On to the video. Here we are today with the world's cheapest penny board. So technically this is not a penny board because it's a fake penny board.
Yeah,
it's like
half a penny board.
Cheap penny board knockoff. And it's on Amazon. It's from Amazon.
There's no note. At least they don't put plastic on the whole thing.
Yeah, it actually doesn't look too bad. Scale Sports. Look at that. Not too bad.
Weird, it looks just like it.
We will not guarantee the safety. It or its construction is changed factitiously.
I literally think they watched our videos and made this warning for us.
This reminds me of that song about your teeth. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. This is word for word, Fetty. This product needs the very high skill in order to protect the user and the third party not to have the trouble of tumbling to wound and collided. Please use it carefully. Children under 14 years old should play it under adults' protection. People who are more than 75 kgs should not play it. Are you more than 75 kgs?
Did you see how the bearings just stop?
Well, it's the cheapest penny board on Amazon. What do you expect? Kickflip off?
Swoop.
$10 says it snaps is what he said.
No, it's
Oh, wow. I got 20 says it snaps. Description, 22-inch complete black retro style street skateboard looking for a way to stay physically active while expressing your personal style? In fact, I was. Let me get into the actual customer reviews and then we'll do a kickflip off. I'm gonna ask you the question, you answer, and then we'll see what these guys say. Does it turn easily?
No.
I'd say so, yeah. Go ahead, kickflip.
You won the rock, paper, scissors.
Oh yeah, forgot. It feels like it's gonna break on the first kickflip. Oh! How did you like the product?
Just buy a penny board.
Right out of the box, the item looks awesome and it's smooth in all its functions.
These people must not know.
There is a warning label on the bottom that indicates it only supports up to a certain amount, and I was not up to my standards. I believe it was 150 pounds, and standing on it, I thought it was going to snap. Hey, Surrey, what's 75 kilos in pounds?
Wait for it, 165.35 pounds.
I'm just 5 pounds over.
Is Carlos gonna land this?
Interesting question.
Oh, I overflipped it.
Interesting question, Gab. Am I gonna land this?
I can't
True.
really say.
Taking it. First try.
Whoa!
Bought it for my daughters at Christmas time, and they really love it. Very sturdy, well made. My granddaughter Sophia loves it. She said it is her favorite Christmas gift from Grandma and Papa.
I literally felt like the middle touched the ground.
I love that you can't kickflip, but you tray flip. Awesome skateboard, really fast.
They don't know what fast is if it hit him in the face.
It was kind of cheap, and the wheels are hard to ever spin and was very poorly packaged.
That sounds like someone who knows what they're talking about.
Packaging was fine. Whoa! Thought I'd be able to use it around campus, but it is really for a child 9 years and younger.
Makes sense.
I mean, I did shave, so.
It did bend too much and was generally too small. Oh!
Yeah, it's not a penny board.
It's like the silent assassin. You can hear nothing.
It's like your car.
Wow!
That was really impressive.
Thanks.
Son loved it at first, but has only had it since Easter, and it already broke.
Dang.
So much easier on a real penny board.
Oh!
Let's just take it down to 3.
You gotta do the hard flip.
Yeah, no. Should I try something that's never been done?
What has never been done?
Tray flip the 3 on a penny board?
Oh my god.
I just gotta put my foot down.
Oh yeah.
I love that sound.
for the fans.
We got pants?
No.
Nope.
My God, I had skate crunch on the line and you messed it up.
Oh, yes. Pennyboard chops off Fetty's head, the most viral video in Braille history. Oh!
Oh yeah. Yeah.
No! Captain America. Oh, my hero.
Well done, you finally made it. You nailed it. It's no big deal.
Unsatisfied.
Thank you. This pennyboard is actually not that bad. We thought it was going to break. It is not broken. If you guys are not subscribed, please subscribe. Check out all the other videos right here. And then this whole thing is about you guys learning to skate. So go to BrailleSkateboarding.com, get videos, get skateboards, get anything that's going to help you personally learn how to skateboard on there. That's what we want to help you do. This is about you learning to skate. Let's go. 2018, learn to skate, have fun. Once again, huge shout out to our partner Hang Time. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to check out the app. The link is in the description below. You can also go to Google Play or the Apple Store and search Hang Time. Get on there and invite your friends. You guys will earn prizes, cash prizes, and you can play against the other Braille team members who will be on there in the coming weeks. Remember, the Braille skateboarding trivia shows start in May.